Hey everybody, SD Costume Guy, and here's a look at a Jason Lives Tombstone pendant from villainsinlove.com. And you can look on the back here. So Villains in Love on the back there. Really, really great. Here's how big it looks. Really, really nice. Just got this in. This is actually going to be part of a giveaway over on Camp Blood Radio Facebook, Instagram page. We're still trying to get the details on how we're going to do the giveaway, but today's date is May 24th, 2021, and we're still working on the details, but this is going to be one of the prizes that are given away. This is going to be the second place prize for the giveaway, so check it out on Camp Blood Radio, Facebook, and Instagram, and watch for details. But another great pendant from villainsinlove.com, and now I got to get myself one.